Strength, stability, being one with nature, that's yoga for me. And I'm really blessed to be practicing in this beautiful, robust land today. Marathwada truly signifies the heartland of Maharashtra. It's such a stronghold of culture and history. Hey everyone, I'm Vidya Malavde, and today I'm going to explore two distinct districts of Marathwada, Latur and Nanded. And I'm really excited to try the indigenous local food, born with the locals, and discover heritage of Marathwada only on Flavors of Maharashtra.
Tangy, sweet, salty, and extra spicy too. Maharashtra is a melting pot of diverse tastes and food traditions.
This is looking very delicious.
It should be perfectly cooked. Join us as we travel across the state to explore its culture.
Thank you.
Cook with local communities. Yes!
I can't wait to eat.
And unravel histories with culinary experts.
Hi, I am Pooja Sawant.
I am Arjun Bijlani.
I'm Vidya Malavde.
Maharashtra Tourism presents Flavors of Maharashtra.
Originally the native place of Rashtrakutas, Latur was earlier known as Lattaluru. And its center is the famous Ganj Golai with goddess Ambabai temple. With its 16 roads connecting to this Golai, this is the city's main commercial and trade center. Every part of Latur district has several food specialities, be it the Nilanga rice or the Sangam bhel or Sanjay quality pohe. Latur's people and places have left their signature on several dishes.
Latur has immense history, you know. And today, it's a city where a lot of trade takes place. Because Karnataka is close, Andhra is close, it's in Maharashtra. So, it has its own qualities. Hi, I'm Ritesh Deshmukh, and I come from a very small village, which is about 8 kilometers from Latur, called Babhalgaon. We are probably the 14th generation who are living in that village. And me and my brothers remember coming back to Babhalgaon, spending extremely lovable, enjoyable moments in that village. Every vacation we used to rush back to Latur because our heart was there. So Latur, Marathwada, it means home to me. That's how important it is. Latur is my city.
Latur is known for its sugarcane production. And which is why this belt is called the Sugar Belt of India. So let's start our journey on a very special sweet note with an authentic traditional sweet. We have come to Ujjaini and I've heard that the Basundi here is very famous. Tell us, since when did the craze of Basundi start here?
My father started this in 1966.
And what is special in this?
There is nothing so special in this, only milk and sugar.
So this Basundi is made only with sugar and milk?
Yes, only milk and sugar we add in this. We don't add a cardamom in this because it has its own distinct flavor. If we put cardamom in this,
yes. So you mean
Yes.
it loses its own flavor?
it loses its flavor.
It gets sold in big
Yes, of
quantities
course.
here.
There are around 20 to 25 villages here. Latur, Solapur, Pune and
It's
Mumbai.
sold in 20-25 villages, this
Yes,
basundi,
yes. And from here, there is another village at 8 kilometers. We
Okay.
get the milk from that place, which is a pure milk, buffalo milk actually.
You
yes,
get
8
milk from
kilometers.
8 kilometers away to
Yes,
make
we
this
bring from there.
basundi.
Yes.
Okay. Do you want to taste it? I definitely want to. Come on, let's go and taste it. Thank you, uncle. Basundi. It's very nice. It's damn tasty. This is not enough. I want 5 more glasses of this. Definitely not 5, but I managed to eat 3. And I think I'm done. And it was quite heavy, but it was so good. Thank you, uncle. In a region with limited resources, recycling and community building become very important. And there is an NGO in Latur called Swadhar who is doing some exceptional work. So let's go find out. Sudhe sir, please come.
Hello.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
You started Swadhar, right?
Yes, I did.
It's been 40
yeah,
years.
40 years.
What do you do here?
Blind people should be able to live life with dignity. So we used to view towels, blankets, bed sheets on handloom. And later we started making yoga mats.
Oh, you even make yoga mats?
Yes, yoga
Do you know
mats
I'm a
too.
yoga teacher?
Oh, wow, brilliant. Nice.
And where
That's
do you
good.
source your raw material from?
The things that you do not use anymore in your house and are bored of.
Okay.
Such saris, dhotis, shawls, even shawls that are presented
Okay,
to
okay,
honor.
okay.
We are provided with all these things.
Wow.
And we established Swadhar where we take care of trading, employment, marriage and home.
So he provides employment, he gets them married
yes, we
to,
get them
he
married
gets
to.
them
Around
settled in
40
their own
people
homes.
we have married so far.
And all this wholesome work that you're doing.
Rehabilitation work.
This is so amazing, right? I think I really want to go see it. Will you show it to me?
Yes, come on.
Come on, let's
see.
go see the process now.
Yeah,
Let's go.
Come on.
Handcrafted by the weavers with visual impairment, each upcycled mat spells attention to detail and perfection. What is your name?
My name is Pradnya Shankar Shinde.
And what are you doing?
The carpets which are ready and I'm trying the knots right now. This is what I'm doing.
Will you teach me how
Yes,
to tie
I will
them?
teach. Now we take this.
Okay.
And now this.
Okay.
And you have to tie.
have to tie them.
Yes, yes.
Awesome. Okay. We have tied a knot.
Yes.
Is it done?
Yes, done.
Good. Let me also help you a little.
What's your name?
My name is Vidya Malavde.
Very nice.
Pradnya, can I click a picture with you?
All right.
Smile.
You are fond of yoga and you practice it. So we present this yoga mat to you. Keep doing yoga, stay healthy, stay happy. My blessings are with you.
Thank you so much. I'll definitely do my yoga practice on
Yes,
this.
sure, do it.
Thank you.
The cuisines of all the different places vary according to the factor like country, time, matter and circumstances. Hi, I'm Preeti Dev. I'm basically a culinary chronicler. Marathwada is in a inner plateau region of the peninsula. climate mostly is drought prone. The staple crops of Marathwada are basically pulses, millets and wheat. Millets are used in powder form, the ground form, to make a flour, multigrain flour mix, which is used in either thali pet or dhapate. Dhapate is basically a fun term used in the families to say a slap, basically. You pat and slap. My Nandu auntie makes her Laturi dhapate. Nandu auntie will actually pat it onto a wet fabric and then make some holes to create some pockets so that the steam can actually cook the whole bread and pop it onto the tawa to roast it. In the month of spring, people usually start preparing for the papads that are needed throughout the year in the kitchen. So they will make papad, kurdai, sandge, all these things. And I would like to mention a very beautiful thing, making khiri, which is a term we use in our family for the valvat, and most of the Maharashtrians know it as a gavahle. They are made into very small, intricate pastas formed to be made for special occasions throughout the year.
Sitting in the fields of a Marathwada village and eating authentic food is special, because even today the food here is cooked in a traditional way. This includes the bhakri made on a traditional stove or hand-ground spices. And I'm just so privileged to be invited here in this farm near Latur to taste their traditional fare.
If I have to speak about Marathwadi peoples, they want it to be robust. They use a lot of spices, especially the black masala and red chili powder.
Yay, my food! Give it to me. What is this? Bhakri. Huh.
Jawar
bhakri.
Bhakri. This is thecha of green chilies.
Thecha made with green
Thecha.
chilies. Oh, this will be really spicy. What is this?
This is kala tikhat mutton.
Oh, so that black masala.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
mean the masala that you just
Yeah.
made? The really spicy masala called black masala. Black masala. And what is this?
This is sevagyachi bhaji.
This smells so good. That's the moringa. Moringa stick.
This is yesar
This is
vadia.
made of that. What's this?
Yes,
Yesar
we serve
vadia.
it at weddings.
Why don't you sit down? This is nice. And this is black mutton, right? How is this made?
First wash this with clean water. And then after washing it,
Okay.
add ginger garlic paste, turmeric,
Okay.
and keep it aside. Pour some oil and fry onions. Then add mutton in it.
And what do you add to your black masala?
We add different spices in black masala and we make it at home only. Yes,
You
everything
pound it
is
with
hand
your
pounded.
hands? Wow.
We roast onions, coconut, and grind it together.
It's superb.
Yes, it is
Loved it.
homemade.
This is really yummy. I had a good time. Wow, this is really good. And I'm so blessed to be sitting here, eating in this farm, eating fresh food and a happy meal. Thank you.
Hi Vidya, welcome to Latur. I hope you're enjoying your time in Latur and exploring the city. Since you are there, if you're a foodie, you must visit Ashtamod Chivda. My favorite is Kisan Halwai's Peda. It's just amazing. You will enjoy yourself.
Maharashtra is known for its tea drinking culture. And what better tea time snack than this special Ashtamod Chivda? So I'm going to try and have a bite of this. With my chai. And why don't you guys take a tea break as well? And I'll see you on the other side. Situated on the banks of Godavari, Nanded is the second largest city in Marathwada. It's a city of great culture and historical importance. Maharashtra is a state of great religious diversity, and Nanded is the home to one of Sikh community's holiest shrines, the Hazur Sahib Gurudwara. Also known as Takht Sachkhand Shri Hazur Abchal Nagar Sahib. This is one of the 5 divine seats of the Sikhs. It was here that the 10th Guru Shri Guru Gobind Singh Ji breathed his last. Built by Maharaja Ranjit Singh in the late 1830s, this shrine houses invaluable relics of Shri Guru Gobind Singh Ji and the holy book Guru Granth Sahib. Seva is an important part of worship in Sikhism. And a way to practice that is helping in the Gurudwara's community kitchen. Here, volunteers of all faiths come together to cook and serve in the langar. Here, the stove is on throughout the day and night, and prasad is made for lakhs of devotees. Nearly 200 kilograms of wheat is used to make roti, and they also make dal, rice, sabzi, and kheer prasad too. This meal is served to each and every devotee regardless of their caste and creed. And for me, having this langar prasad fulfilled my soul. The tradition of langar is a true symbol of equality and oneness of humanity. Maharashtra is known for its rich folk music and dance tradition. And one of them is Gondhar, which is very commonly found in this Marathwada area. Gondharis stay up all night singing hymns and praying to the goddesses. My travel through Marathwada has been an enriching experience. It started on a sweet note, and then I got a chance to dive into a medley of flavors. I loved connecting with the beautiful souls here. Pradnya, will you click a picture with me? And then discover their rich folk traditions. This heartland of Maharashtra has my heart. And I'm sure you guys will love its flavors too.